Do you know the signs that your body is begging for iron? Iron, a crucial component in our bodies, plays a vital role in various physiological processes. From supporting the production of red blood cells to fostering optimal brain function, iron is an irreplaceable element. When there's a deficiency, our overall health can take a hit, leading to unwelcome symptoms and conditions. But how can you tell if your body is begging for more iron? There are 11 signs to look out for. The first sign that your body needs more iron is constant fatigue. Iron fuels the creation of red blood cells that carry oxygen to your body's tissues. If you're low on iron, these cells can't do their job effectively, leaving you feeling drained and worn out. Next up is pale skin. This is because iron is a key ingredient in hemoglobin, the protein that gives your skin its healthy rosy glow. Iron deficiency can rob your skin of its natural color, making you look pale and washed out. Finally, shortness of breath is a common symptom. Without enough iron, your body struggles to supply oxygen to your cells, making you feel winded even after minor physical exertion. But these are just the first 3 signs. There are more to come. Another sign that you might be deficient in iron is frequent infections. Iron plays a critical role in supporting your immune system. Without enough of it, your body might not be able to fend off bacteria and viruses as effectively, leading to an increased risk of infections. Next, let's talk about brittle nails. If you notice that your nails are breaking easily or have ridges, it could be a sign of iron deficiency. Iron is essential for the health and strength of your nails. Now, onto restless legs. If you're experiencing an uncontrollable urge to move your legs, especially at night, it might be due to low iron levels. Iron helps with the production of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that controls the brain's reward and pleasure centers, and also helps regulate movement. Finally, strange cravings. Craving and eating non-food substances like dirt or ice is known as pica, and it's often linked to iron deficiency. These signs might seem strange, but they're all connected to your body's need for iron. One of the more subtle signs of iron deficiency is a swollen tongue. This may seem strange, but when your body lacks iron, your tongue can become inflamed. This is because iron is vital for the health and growth of cells, including those in your tongue. Next, we move to cold hands and feet. Iron helps regulate your body's temperature. So when you're iron deficient, you might find yourself feeling chilly even when everyone else is warm. The third sign we're discussing today is feeling grumpy. You may not immediately connect your mood with your iron levels, but iron deficiency can lead to feelings of irritability. This happens because your body needs iron to produce serotonin, the feel-good hormone. Finally, trouble concentrating can also be a sign of iron deficiency. Iron is crucial for cognitive function, and when you're low on it, your focus can suffer. These final signs might not seem directly related to iron deficiency, but they all point to your body needing more iron. So these are the 11 signs that your body is begging for iron. Let's quickly recap. Unexplained fatigue, paleness, shortness of breath, frequent infections, restless leg syndrome, unusual cravings, brittle nails, hair loss, a swollen tongue, headaches and dizziness, and lastly, cold hands and feet. Each of these could be your body's way of signaling a need for more iron. It's crucial to maintain a balanced diet, rich in iron, to keep your body functioning optimally. Foods like lean meats, beans, tofu, and leafy green vegetables are all excellent sources. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and give it what it needs. And if these symptoms persist, seek medical advice, as you might be dealing with an iron deficiency.